So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to see analytics on Facebook page. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Facebook account. Now to see our analytics, you can simply tap on fourth option which is available on the top side of your screen. So tap on it, then scroll down, and here is your analytics of your Facebook page. You can even see insights, your content, your engagement, and many other things. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.